Hi, it's Rahul here extending a hearty welcome to you all to this episode of Daiji Global Pan Vision.
Today's episode is sponsored by Apurva Associates, Mangalore.
First, the top story. 450 NCC cadets turn Pitikula into a war zone. News headlines from Goa. Mangalore zone talent Devi Prasad Rao brings Tare Zameen Par. Here's what we have in our local news. 10th anniversary joy for Mudur Padu Jodu Kare Kamla. And in our entertainment part, we have songs from Jaipur seminarians, from Konkani Nirantari and a song from Konkan Shahs held in Dubai.
Apurva for Aptland.
The news in detail. National Cadet Corps is an institution that inculcates in the educated youths the quality of leadership as well as that of unity and discipline. And not many of us know that during the 1965 and 1971 wars with Pakistan, NCC cadets were the second line of defense. They organized camps to assist the ordnance factories, supplying arms and ammunition to the front, and were also used as patrol parties to capture the enemy paratroopers. Why I am talking about NCC cadets and their discipline is that all the young and energetic NCC cadets studying in and around Mangalore and Coorg are undergoing a 10-day annual training camp near Pilikula where they are being taught these skills. We have a report on this. Don't be surprised if you happen to come across a war zone in the making at Pilikula Nisargadama. It's the training camp for the National Cadet Corps NCC of Dakshina Kannada and Kodagu, who are under training from Friday, February 1st to Sunday, February 10th, led by Karnataka Air Squadron Group Commandant Colonel G.R. Reddy. Around 450 NCC cadets, both men and women of Army, including air and naval wings from 13 colleges, are undergoing rifle training and adventure sports in a mute war-like zone situation in the hilly terrains of Pilikula. While there are 300 cadets in the junior section, high school level, there are 150 cadets in the senior division. A special village between the hillocks and the picturesque Pilikula Nisargadama is at present housing 450 NCC cadets and 50 staff. Tents have been put up for their lodging while separate arrangements have been made for food, bathing, etc. Their day starts at 6 am with an assembly near the flag pole under the leadership of Commandant. The day continues with the NCC flag salute, jogging, breakfast, classes, rifle shooting, training, etc. In the evening, the cadets visit the Biological Park and the Science Center at Pilikula before concluding the daily activities with the NCC theme song. There are cultural programs almost every night. The camp concludes on Sunday, February 10th. Suprita J. Gonsalves of St. Aloysius College states that the camp fosters unity, discipline and camaraderie.
Here at our CATC camp, we had the main rifle drill as well as the range firing, which took place here only at Moodshede. We were taught the .22 range .22 range rifle, the firing. Each one of us were given rounds for which we fired 25 yards. Along with that, we were given the SLR firing. Very nice, sir. We are giving a lot of thing with the nature. We're getting to know things around here, how to keep the surroundings clean, how to adjust in a very small confined area, how to respect and move around in these places, how to maintain silence when there are so many people around. Everything is going comfortably well.
Looking at their discipline, it would not be a wonder if a couple of cadets become naval or air force officers in the future. Tare Zameen Par, Amir Khan's directorial debut, is not one of those films that merely entertains but also delights. Amir might have received praise both from the film critics and the cinegoers for doing a wonderful movie on the struggles of a child suffering from dyslexia. But here is a man, a well-known abstract painter from Goa, who has been doing what Amir did on screen much before the release of the movie. Mangalore's very own talent, Devi Prasad Rao, has been actively involved with such kids since August 2005 through the Art Exploration Program. Rao is associated with Setu, an NGO working with kids with learning disabilities. There is absolutely no similarity between Devi Prasad Rao and megastar Amir Khan, except for the fact that what Amir did on screen is what Rao did off screen in Goa. For the last 2 years, Rao, a young abstract painter, born in Koteshwara near Kundapur of Udupi district and now settled in Goa, has been tutoring kids suffering from dyslexia, allowing them to vent out their creativity through painting similar to what is depicted in Tare Zameen Par. Devi Prasad too also had a disturbed childhood and was also a dyslexic. Devi Prasad Rao has watched Tare Zameen Par and is also happy that Tare Zameen Par happened. According to Rao, the movie brought awareness among the parents and the teachers. Kamla is a rural sport prominent in the districts of Udupi and Mangalore in Karnataka and also in Kasaragod district in Kerala. Kamla is basically a traditional buffalo race in muddy waters held from December till March. Mudur Padur Kamla, held in Bantwal, is one of the very famous Kamlas of coastal Karnataka. Interestingly, this is the last Kamla of the Kolke season in Dakshina Kannada. Mudur Padur double track Kamla was held on Saturday with over 200 pairs of buffaloes participating. People of these two villages, who organize the Kamla every year, under the guidance of former Minister of Transport B. Ramanatha Rai, decorated the village streets as they were celebrating the 10th anniversary of the Mudur Padur Jodukare Kamla on Saturday, February 9th. Mudur Padur Kamla attracts participants from all over the coastal area and even from the northern parts of Kerala. Over the last 10 years, the event has undergone a series of changes as the Kamla committees have given strict instructions not to torment the buffaloes. To mark the 10th anniversary celebration, the organizers honored the buffalo owners who have been making it to the Kamla for the last 10 years. The new buffalo pairs who took part in the Kamla for the first time too had a reason to smile as they were given a cash prize of ₹1,000 each. Vikyadananda Swamiji of Bolyotumat inaugurated the Kamla.
ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಲೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅದರ ವಸ್ತುತೆಯನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋದಾಗ ಅದು ಅವನತಿ ಹಂತವನ್ನು ಹಾಗೆ ನಾನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ಕಂಬಳವಾಗಿ ಉಳಿಯಲಿ.
South Canara Bus Owners Association President Rajavarma Ballal, Ramanath Rai were present. And it is interesting to note that those accompanying the animals run barefoot a distance of 100 meters within 14.5 seconds, which is faster than the time clocked by the Olympic athletes. Well, now before we move on to our entertainment bash, let us take a short break. After the break, we will bring you some foot tapping songs, so stay tuned to TV Daijiworld.
ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ದಿನನಿತ್ಯದ ಅಗತ್ಯಗಳಿಗೆ ಆಸರೆ ಮನೆ. ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನಸಿನ ಹಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಹುಡುಕಾಟವೇ? ಬನ್ನಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನಸನ್ನು ನನಸಾಗಿಸುವ ವಸತಿ ಗೃಹಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿವೆ.
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮನೆ ಬಾಲ್ಯದ ಕನಸಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಅಪೂರ್ವದಿಂದ ನನಸಾಗಿದೆ.
ಆಶ್ವೇತ್, ಆಶೀಶ್, ಅಪೂರ್ವ, ಅಭಿನವ್, ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್, ಅಮೃತ ಇವುಗಳ ಸಾಲಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೇರುತ್ತದೆ ಅನನ್ಯ, ಅದ್ವೈತ್,